In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to follow a task in Asana. Following a task is the simplest way to stay in the loop without taking ownership of the work. It ensures you get notified when someone comments, updates the due date, adds an attachment, or marks the task complete. Let's walk through it clearly and calmly so you can do it in seconds. First, open the task. Wherever you see the task name in a project list, a board column, your My Tasks, or even the calendar, click the task title. That opens the task details pane, typically on the right side of your screen. You'll know you're in the right place when you can see the task's title at the top, along with fields like assignee, due date, description, subtasks, and attachments. If you're on a smaller display, this pane might expand to cover most of the screen. That's totally fine. You're still in the task details view you need. Next, locate the collaborators section. To find it, scroll all the way to the very bottom of the task details pane. You'll pass the description, any subtasks, attachments, and the activity feed where comments and updates appear. Keep scrolling until you reach the end. At the bottom, you'll see a section labeled Collaborators, usually showing small profile icons or a clear button to add people. If you don't see it right away, keep going. Long comment threads can push it further down. The key is to reach the absolute bottom of the pane. Now, add yourself. In the collaborators section, click the plus icon or the add collaborators button. Start typing your name into the search field, and when your profile appears, select it. As soon as you do, you're added as a collaborator, which in Asana is the same thing as following the task. You'll now receive updates in your Asana inbox, and if you have them enabled, via email. This is especially useful if you're not the assignee, but you still need visibility, like a stakeholder, a reviewer, or someone tracking dependencies. If you already see your profile in the collaborators list, that means you're already following and don't need to do anything else. That's it. Open the task, scroll to the bottom to find collaborators, and add yourself. It's quick, it's clear, and it keeps you informed without cluttering your workload. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to follow a task in Asana.